the right. So 4 zeros over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 2 zeros over here. This point will be shifted 4 places to the left. So 26100 will be the answer. Let's move on to someone else for this one. Can we have Alexandra for this one?
Hi.
Okay, so we have answers from some of the students, but I want Alexandra to do this one.
Would it be D?
How did you come up with D?
So I moved the decimal point twice, and it ended up in front of 3, so it'd be 0.319.
That is correct. So since this is being divided, we have to move to the left. So this point will be towards the left. How many points? 10 raised to power 2. So this can be written as 100 because it has 2 zeros. So 1 and 2. So this will be go here to here. It will be 0.319. So D is the right answer. Very nice. Let's see who we can have for the next one. We can have Mide for the next one.
Hello.
Hello.
Is it B 340?
And how did you come up with that?
I moved the decimal place to the right.
How many times?
3 times.
That is correct, 3 times, because 10 has the power of 3. So 1, 2, and 3, the decimal point would be here. We will have to add a 0 over here. It will become 0340. 0 has no value here over, so 340. D is the right answer. Very nice. For this one, let's go to Elena. Okay, so we have a different type of question over here. Okay, so let me just teach you something that you will remember, because it's a very nice way to do these type of questions. We have centimeter over here, and then we have meter over here, and then we have kilometer over here. Okay, so whenever you have to move from centimeter to the meter, you have to divide the number by 100, and when you have to move from a meter to kilometer, you have to divide it by 1000. When you have to move from the kilometers to the meters, you have to multiply by 1000. And then in the same way, when you have to move from meter to centimeter, you have to multiply by with 100. So this is a very nice way to remember all of these type of questions. So we have 4.6 kilometers that need to be converted into meters. So we are currently standing over here at the kilometers. We have to move towards the meters. So what we will do, we will follow the arrow signs and we will multiply whatever there is by 1000. So 4.6 times 1000. So 4.6 times 1000. 1000. Now you can answer the question. Elena, you can answer the question now.
I couldn't unmute myself. That's why I couldn't see the answer. But I got A. 4,100. Yeah.
Very nice. So it's being multiplied. We have to move to the right. So 4600 is the right answer. This point moves 3 times to the right, which will give us 4600 meters. Okay. Okay, so in a similar way, we have liters and milliliters. Milliliters is similar to meters and liters is similar to kilometers. We have to follow the same procedure. Just think that this meter is actually milliliters and we have kilometers in the place of liters. So the same procedure follows. 1,000 is used to convert from liter to milliliter. When you divide it by 1,000, it will be converted into milliliters, and you multiply 1,000 by something in the milliliters, it will be converted into the liters. So 1,000 is also a factor over here also. So change 1.72 liters into milliliters. Can we have Baba for this one?
Would it be 1,720 milliliters?
And how did you come up with that?
I did 1.72 liters times by 1,000.
So 1.72 times 1,000. Since it's being multiplied, we will have to move to the right in a similar way as the previous question. Yeah. So 3 times to the right will give us 1, 2, and 3 is 0 over here, so 1720. So the answer will be D. Did you say D?
Yeah.
Okay, very nice. Thank you, Bob. Let's see what this is about. Change 8.5 kilograms into grams. Okay, so grams and kilograms also work in the same way. The factor is 1,000. When you have to move from kilograms to grams, you have to multiply by 1,000, and when you have to move from grams to kilograms, you have to divide it by 1,000. Grams is a smaller quantity, kilograms is larger. That is why we are multiplying if we are going from kilograms to grams. Okay, so Ayan Tariq, can you do this one?
Hello?
Hello, I can hear you.
Is grams like centimeters?
No, a gram is like meters over here.
That would be 8,500 grams.
Grams. You have to move from grams to kilograms. You have to divide it by 1,000. Now, divide is always in the upper place of this flow chart over here, and you have to move from kilograms to grams. You have to multiply it with 1,000. So whatever there is in the kilometers, just multiply it by 1,000, and we'll get the same quantity in grams. Okay, so what's the answer?
B.
Did you say A?
B. B.
Okay, D. No, it's
B.
not D.
B.
Okay, B. Sorry, B.
That's
Okay.
right.
Thank you, Ian. So again, we are having something in the meters and the kilometers. So let's see. Can Farhana do this one?
Hello?
Hello, I can hear you.
So if it's meters to kilometers, you should divide by 1,000.
Divided by 1,000. We are currently at this position over here, and we have to move to this. So we do divide by 1,000. That is all right. So what do you do when you divide something by 1,000? Divide 850 by 1,000. What do you have for the answer?
It should be A.
The point is actually over here. So if we're dividing, we're moving to the left. 3 zeros. So let's move 3 points to the left. 1, 2, and 3. So this has moved 1, 2, and 3. So we have 0.850. That is also equal to 0.85. So yes, A is the right answer. Very nice. Okay, so now we have milliliters. Now milliliters is equal to centimeters over here, is equivalent to centimeters over here. Sorry, milliliters is meters over here. So the same procedure is followed. 1,000 multiplied by 1,000 and divided by 1,000. So let's move on to Alexandra for this one.
Okay.
Take your time and convert this into liters.
What are the options? Because I can't really see them. Would it be C?
Have you solved it? You actually, you need to work it out. Can you help me working it out? Can you just do whatever you're doing and just tell me? I can write here.
Okay. Wait.
Okay, so we have 4921 milliliters. Whenever you go from milliliters to liters, you follow the same procedure over here or the part over here. It has a factor of 1,000. So milliliters to liters is divided by 1,000, and liters to milliliters is multiplied by 1,000. So we are currently at this position because we have 4921 milliliters and we have to move towards the liters. So what we will do, we will divide it by 1,000.
So it would be 4.921.
Let's see, 4.921 you are saying, so 3 zeros over here. The point is currently over here. So 1, 2, and 3. Point comes over here. It becomes 4.921. That is right. Very well, Alexander. .921 liters.
That's brilliant. Thank you so much, Mr. Ursel. And everybody else, well done. You've done a bit of English and a bit of maths there as well to keep you going. Emma, you look a bit tired to me. Was it exhausting? Okay, fantastic, lovely. All right, so for next week, Monday is your next lesson. I'm just going to get some a little bit of extra homework to do as well to keep you busy over the weekend. And please make sure everybody that you